Good morning, students. Today's assignment is practical based. So, what you have to do, I will give you three programs, and you have to run those three programs and take the screenshot of the output of those programs, and then you will submit the output. So, one by one, we'll make the program. The first program is, suppose we have to find the area and perimeter of any rectangle. Fine. So, yesterday I told you how to create a variable name. There are certain rules. So, suppose we have to find area and perimeter, and we will use variables. Fine. So first program is, we are writing the comment, finding area and perimeter of any rectangle. Fine. Now this line will not get executed, because any statement if you write after hash, it will taken as comment. Fine. Now see, we have to find the perimeter and area. So for perimeter and area, what we need? We need length and width. So we will take a variable length, or you can take L, simply L also. Fine. We can write simply L. So suppose we have taken L is equal to 20. The length is suppose 20. And second thing we need is width. So we have taken capital W is equal to suppose 10. So length is 20 and width is 10. So if we have to find the area, so for area is equal to, what we have to do, we need the multiplication of 20 into 10. Area is length into width. So instead of writing the values, we will use the variable name. So area will be length into width. Right? Similarly, we can find the perimeter also. So the perimeter we have written PERI. Right? So we have taken a variable name as peri. So for finding the perimeter, the value, the formula is twice of length into width. So what we will do? Twice length into width. Acha. When we do calculation in mathematics, you know that this bracket means off. Off means multiplication. But computer don't know this multiplication. So you have to put the multiplication sign here. So twice of length into width. Otherwise it will give error. Fine. So we have taken out the perimeter also and the area also. So what we have to do now? We have to display the output. Fine. So we have to give the print command. So what we'll do? Print the area of the rectangle is equals to, fine, and then we have to print the area, the value of area, then we'll put a separator and we will write area without inverted comma. Why? Because we have to print its value. Now similarly we can print perimeter also. Print the perimeter of the rectangle is, and then a separator, and you will write here perimeter without space. Fine, because we have to print the value of perimeter. If we'll run this program, okay, wait, we have written perimeter. See, the variable name here we have taken peri, but here I am writing perimeter, so it is not taking the variable name. It is not correct. Okay, so peri is, now run the program. See, the output we have got, the area of rectangle is 200 and the perimeter of the rectangle is 400. See, the comment which we have written here, finding area and perimeter, it is not displayed here. Why? Because it is excluded while running the program. Fine. So this is the first program you have to make. Now second program, suppose we are taking the new file. Second program, suppose we have to find the average marks of the students. Fine. So what we will do? First we will write the comment, finding average marks of students of a student. We are using only one student, fine. So suppose we have four subject. So we'll take the marks of four subject. So suppose variable name is S1, subject 1. And subject 1 marks are 80. Subject 2 marks are suppose 98. Subject 3 marks are suppose 89. And subject 4 marks are suppose 90. Fine. So we have to find the average marks of the student. So for finding the average marks, you can directly find the average marks, or you can first find the sum and then you can divide it by 4. The formula for finding average is sum upon total marks. Sum upon number of subjects. So we have 4 subjects here. So we'll first find the sum and it will be divided by 4. So what we'll do? We'll find the sum. Sum is equals to S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4. Fine. We've got the sum. Now what we do? We will find average. AVG. And average is equal to how much? Sum upon 4. Fine. Now we have got the average also. We will print this average. Print, and we'll write the average marks of student is, put a separator and write the variable AVG. When we will run this program, see, the average marks of student is 89.25. So in this way you can find the average marks also. Now the third program is for finding the simple interest. Fine, you must have done in mathematics simple interest. SI is equal to PRT upon 100, principal rate and time. So we need three variables here. One is principal, one is rate, and one is time. So first we will write the comment, program to find simple interest. Fine. So now the first variable which we need is perimeter. So we have taken P, principal. So for principal we have taken P. Suppose the principal is 20,000. Similarly, we have taken R for rate. Rate is suppose 4%. And time, suppose time is 2 years. Fine. Now we know the formula for simple interest is SI. So we have taken SI. Don't write S dot I. Why? Because we know that in variable name we only can use underscore as special character. We can't use dot. So SI will be the perfect name, or you can write S underscore I. SI is equal to, we know the formula, P into R into T. PRT upon 100. Now if you will write the formula like this, so it will be calculated as T upon 100 first. Fine. So it will take the BODMAS rule, though it will not affect into and multiplication, but we can include this PRT upon 100 within bracket. Okay. Now see, we have got the simple interest. Now we can simply print it. So print the simple interest of simple interest is, and here you can write SI. Fine, we'll run it. T is not defined. Okay, we have taken time here. Change the variable name. We have taken T here. Now see, the simple interest is 1600. Now this way you can find the simple interest also. So we have done three programs. One is area and perimeter. The second one is finding average marks, and third is finding simple interest. So just try to make this programs. Take the screenshot of the program as well as the output and submit it in your assignment. That's it for today. Thank you.